Welcome. If you've been wondering how to give Discord permission to access your contacts, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of allowing contact access on Discord updated for the latest version. Let's get into it. First, unlock your phone and go to your settings. Everything starts there. On most devices, you can find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the section called Apps or App Management. The name might vary depending on your device. Now, look through the list of installed apps and find Discord. Tap on it to open the app details page. This is where you'll see options like storage, notifications, and permissions. You'll want to tap on permissions. This is where you control what Discord can access on your phone. Next, look for the contacts permission. If it's currently set to Don't Allow, that's why your contacts aren't showing up or syncing with Discord. To fix that, tap on Contacts and then select Allow. That's it. You've just enabled contact access for Discord. Once you've done this, go back to your Discord app and open it. Discord can now use your contacts to help you find friends who are already on the platform. This makes connecting with people much easier, especially if you're joining new servers or building your community. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same permissions menu and toggle the contacts access off again. You're fully in control of what Discord can and can't use on your device. And that's how simple it is. In just a few steps, open Settings, go to Apps, find Discord, tap Permissions, choose Contacts, and select Allow. You've successfully given Discord access to your contacts. Thanks for watching.